Stop scrolling. These 12 home gadgets are so crazy smart, they'll make your neighbors think your house is from the future. And wait till the end. Gadget number 12 is a smart lock you can control from anywhere in the world. Hey guys, welcome back to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances, your one-stop channel for top 12 smart home gadgets, kitchen tools, and daily use appliances that make life easy and fun. Today, I'm back again with 12 amazing smart home and kitchen gadgets that are not just useful, so make sure you watch this video till the end. All product links are available in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. So, let's begin. Let's start with this amazing LED brushed nickel bathroom waterfall faucet. This faucet gives you a premium waterfall-style flow that instantly transforms your sink into a luxury hotel vibe. The side handle design makes it super fun to use, and the soft LED glow on the water looks stunning, especially at night. It comes with a metal pop-up drain and 2 water supply lines, so no extra purchase is needed. Plus, the brushed nickel finish is rust-resistant and fingerprint-resistant, keeping it shiny for years. If you want to give your bathroom a classy upgrade, this one's perfect. If you buy groceries daily, you know the pain of lifting heavy bags. But this multi-purpose 45-kilogram carry grip handle makes the job super easy. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, reducing pressure on your fingers. Whether it's grocery bags, paint cans, or heavy bottles, this grip can handle almost anything. Your fingers will officially thank you. If you live in a compact kitchen, especially in cities like Bengaluru, Chennai, or Mumbai, this is a must-have. This slim 3-tier movable kitchen trolley easily slips into narrow gaps between your fridge, cabinets, or counters. With deep storage baskets and 360-degree smooth wheels, you can store and access items with zero hassle. Perfect for small apartments. If you have a geyser at home, you know the struggle. Is the water too hot, too cold, just right? This shower thermometer with LED temperature display solves that instantly. It shows you the exact water temperature in real time. No batteries needed. It runs on the water flow itself. Just install it on the pipe and done. Perfect for kids, elders, and anyone who wants safe baths. Does your kitchen get messy every time you chop veggies? Then, this non-slip cutting board with storage tray will be your best friend. The board doesn't move while cutting, and all chopped veggies go straight into the removable tray. No mess, no stress, faster meal prep. Here's something brilliant for small apartments. A foldable wall-mounted drying rack. It gives you instant drying space without occupying floor space. With stainless steel 1000 grade rods, you can hang towels, daily clothes, kids' clothes, anything. And once you're done, fold it flat against the wall. Super space-saving and super convenient. Going on a road trip? Then meet this 6-liter mini travel fridge, hot and cold. Yes, one device can cool your drinks in summer and keep snacks warm in winter. It can store up to 6 soda cans, chocolates, fruits, or mini bottles. Plug it directly into your car's DC socket and enjoy chilled drinks anywhere. Perfect for family trips or long drives. This one is a game changer. The robot vacuum and mop with self-empty HEPA base. This robot does vacuuming and mopping together without you lifting a finger. Best part? It empties its own dustbin into the HEPA base, which means you don't have to touch dust for weeks. It uses Matrix Clean technology, cleaning each spot twice in a cross pattern. Plus, sonic mopping removes even tough stains with 100 scrubs per minute. Smart mapping makes cleaning faster and more efficient. This is your new cleaning assistant. If your desk is always messy, this under-desk hidden drawer organizer is a lifesaver. 2 large drawers that stick under your table, no drilling needed. Store pens, chargers, notepads, scissors, makeup items, anything. From the top, it stays completely invisible, giving your desk a super clean look. Here's something cute and fun. The turtle coaster holder set. You get 3 turtle-shaped coasters with adorable, funny expressions. Perfect for cups, mugs, or glasses. Place it on your table, and boom, instant quirky vibes. Also makes a great gift for turtle lovers. Want vintage vibes in your room? Then check out this retro flip-down clock. The flip movement every minute is super satisfying to watch. Clear numbers, wooden base, premium feel, perfect for living rooms or study tables. Simple, aesthetic, timeless. And now, the star of the show. This 8-in-1 Wi-Fi smart door lock is next-level security. Unlock with fingerprint passcode, mobile app, temporary guest access, auto lock, unlock, keycard mechanical key, and remote unlock from anywhere in the world. The smart sensor detects whether the door is properly closed. Super safe, super modern. This is the future of home security. So guys, that's all for today. Which gadget was your favorite? Comment below. I reply to everyone. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances for more videos on top 12 gadgets, smart home devices, and kitchen tools every week. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.